Hey everyone, so I just wanted to go over the instructions for the different reptile investigations this week. So I'm kind of squishing them all together because, again, they're pretty darn similar to the ones that we've done for amphibians and for the tuatara as well. So for the turtle investigation, again, you're choosing one of the following turtles below and answering the questions about it. So either the eastern box turtle, leatherback sea turtle, red-eared slider, or spiny softshell turtle. So here it just asks, which turtle did you pick from the list? What scientific order? Again, just the order, not any other scientific part, does your turtle belong to? Where does it live at in the world? How many chambers does it have in its heart? For 5 here, again, we're talking about something specific as far as what's different between reptiles. When your turtle goes through reproduction, what type of intermittent organ does the male use to deposit sperm in the female for in-turtle fertilization? Is it the single medial penis, paired hemipenes, or no intermittent organ? After fertilization, do females produce eggs or give live birth? What does your turtle eat? Based on its diet, would you classify it as a carnivore, herbivore, or omnivore? And again, for the definitions on those, carnivores only eat meat, herbivores only eat plants, and omnivores eat a mix of both. What kinds of feet or legs does it have? This one is exclusive to the turtles. Would you say that it has feet that are good for traveling on land, in the water, or a combination of both? So again, think about how its limbs look and how it affects locomotion. And then 10, how does it defend itself from predators? So let's look at the crocodile one to see how it compares. Again, we've only got 4 really here to select from. The American alligator, Cuvier's dwarf caiman, the gharial, and the saltwater crocodile. Again, you're mentioning which one you picked, scientific order, where it lives at in the world, number of chambers in the heart, again, the intermittent organ for the male, after fertilization, either eggs or live birth, what do they eat, carnivore, herbivore, or omnivore for number 8, and how does it defend itself from predators. And then with the lizard and snake investigation, we have a pretty wide selection again. It's a pretty diverse group. So the common basilisk lizard, diamondback, or excuse me, to clarify, all of these animals are squamates. They're all part of Squamata. But we went ahead and indicated if it's a lizard, a snake, or an amphisbaenian for some clarification here. So the common basilisk is a lizard, diamondback rattlesnake is a snake, Florida king snake is a snake, frilled neck lizard is a lizard, Komodo dragon is a lizard, marine iguana is a lizard, panther chameleon is a lizard, the red worm lizard is the amphisbaenian. I know it seems weird. Solomon Island skink is a lizard, Texas horned lizard is a lizard, and the western hognose snake is a snake. And again, you only have to pick one, so don't worry about how many there are. It just gives you some variety. So which squamate did you pick from the list? Again, what order does it belong to? Where does it live at in the world? How many chambers does it have in its heart? What is the intermittent organ that males have? The single medial penis, paired hemipenes, or no intermittent organ? After fertilization, do females produce eggs or give live birth? What does it eat? Would you classify it as a carnivore, herbivore, or omnivore? And how does it defend itself from predators? Again, this one has a lot of variety, so a lot of different answers depending on which one that you pick here for this one, but the other ones will be a little bit more straightforward. So again, this assignment should make sense if the other investigations have made sense. If you do have any questions, please feel free to email me, call me, or through Zoom, you can hop in on our science department office hours every weekday, 9:30 to 10:30.